because they should tell me what they want with my children. Yeah? Do they want? They've removed their security. Now I hear they want to remove their personal weapons. So what? Are they wanting to do that because they are planning something? And if they are planning something, yeah, my only plea, don't plan against my mother, don't plan against my children, plan for me. If it is me you want, leave them alone. What do they have to do with anything? How many people are licensed to hold weapons in this country? Yeah? Did they not follow the right procedure? Tell us, tell the world. If it's a question of illegal weapons, then tell the world, yeah, these people have illegal weapons. Right? But if they are licensed weapons, how many people in Kenya have licensed weapons? Even foreigners. Yeah. Alright? So they follow the procedure. Right? So you withdrew their security. So they're not supposed to defend themselves. What do you want now? What more do you want?
Like perhaps the safety of your family is being threatened.
Absolutely. And that's why I'm here. Yeah? And as you know, I have been quiet. But being quiet does not mean I will not defend my family. I will defend my family. Right? And I will defend it to the end. Alright? I defended Kenya and I did my best for this country. Okay? You may not think, whoever has that opinion, that is an opinion. But according to me, I did the best I could do for my country. Alright? And I handed over when my time was finished. And I will now do the best that I can do to defend my family.